guys out this job forced you to learn about this.
Absolutely, man, because you know what's gonna happen, man? You're gonna get into a tight spot, and then you're gonna be asked out. You know what I mean? So don't want that. Nobody
Once you be
wants
in place there, you know, for the mechanics.
that. Listen, you gotta turn into a mechanic in order to do what you gotta do.
I broke down in the middle of Vegas and Cali.
Middle of Vegas?
No, like in the middle, like going to Vegas.
Yo, oh shit.
Fucking desert, bro. At night. My whole fucking.
That was in the winter? Was that in the winter?
My U-Boat came off my trailer at that time.
Wow. Was that in the winter time or summertime?
Beginning of this year.
Oh, okay. So basically the winter.
Basically like
Ending of winter.
Yeah.
And that's some crazy spot to break down, especially.
Alright, here, here's your headlights. I'm gonna start picking up the stuff that we do not need before it gets too dark. You got this?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got another light.
Look in the pocket, the door pocket. So Asian, you say you was going to give me a tour of the bus, ain't it?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, let me show what I got in there.
Yeah, man, a bus full of knowledge.
Alright.
All right.
First we're gonna start with the big boy.
Mm-hmm.
This is a jump start.
Right. Okay.
Whatever cold weather it is, this baby jump start the trucks. Alright, this is my toolbox. I got everything I need to do.
How much power is this?
This right here, it's not about power.
It's
To be honest with you, I don't even know. All I know is that this side is for trucks and this side is for cars. So to jump start the cars.
okay.
All right, and then I got my toolbox where I carry extra parts that I might need, tires, and I have a 30-gallon of diesel tanks. So if somebody needs to fuel transfer,
Fuel up. Oh, okay.
to transfer, yeah,
Very smart.
I could transfer them up to 30 gallon, and then plus my air compressor. So pretty much, I'm set up to get the trucks out the way, stuff like that.
Yeah,
On
yeah.
this box right here, I got brake chambers, extra parts that we need to make sure they get the truck going, extra hoses and stuff like that. I carry batteries.
Yeah.
All right, if I go to a truck that cannot start, I test the batteries for them to make sure that their battery is up to par. If not, if they just need a jump start, they just need a jump start. But if they need a battery, then I got batteries that I do sell them.
Wow, you see that? That's different.
And, like I said, we up in Easton, and we do 100 mile. We go up to 100 mile from Easton. What else? So yeah.
Eastern New Jersey, right?
No, Eastern PA.
Eastern PA?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eastern PA. Yeah. So that's about it. So we got tires, like I said. If somebody call us, they need tires. We have tires in the yard, and plus we carry a couple of tires in the bus,
Right.
just in case. And yeah, that's where it is. So
Right.
we do. This is why we needed a bus, for space wise.
Yes.
Okay, we carry antifreeze. We do what we need to do to make sure that we get the truck going.
So whatever it takes to get the truck going, you guys got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
If we gotta go to the dealer, we gotta go to the dealer.
And that's a quick move. So you guys have the car as well and the truck.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's great
So
thinking,
we
man.
can try to make things move faster, quicker and faster.
Yes.
Yeah.
And just give a shout out to your company name again and the number, please.
Thank God Truck Roadside Service out of Eastern Pennsylvania. We go up to 100 mile radius of Easton. Our number is 484-541-9704. If you are up north, just give us a call. If you are in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, give us a call. If you are in Staten Island, New York, give us a call. Our 100 mile radius drop us in Staten Island.
Hey.
So yeah, that's about it.
Yo, these are the mechanic beasts of the Northeast. Yeah, man. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. These guys working amazing teamwork. So you see one is over there right now working while the other is packing up right now. You know what I mean? That's great mechanic chemistry. Professionals. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Exit, turn around. Exit, come back.
What's your name?
I don't know.